welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I wanted to show you a few different bits and bobs of what I sort of call off the canvas items that I've finished. They sort of don't necessarily warrant a video on their own, plus I've sort of finished quite a few, so I thought I'd show you them all. So let's start with the one that I've sort of got details and got the price of in front of me for the first one. But this is one that I've recently actually unboxed. This one is an owl jewellery box. I actually got one of these in my Easy Whim kit as well. But I'd already received this one from FG Normal. So this is $8.99 from there. And any of these that I've got valid links still for, I will pop in the description below. And I do a full unboxing on this as well. But that's what it looks like finished. I have sealed this. Diamonds wise, loads left. There is, I mean look, there is still what you could consider enough to do it all over again. Even the special shapes. There is absolutely loads of all of these left, so that's always good. So I'll put those to one side. I'm going to start collecting up my special spares, and I'll get those put away after. But that's the first one, so an owl jewellery box. Next one, let's have a look. Where was this one from? So this one was from Craftsy Art, sent me this one. So this one is a card, and these are not so much special shapes as just normal diamonds, but they go onto a card, which is quite sweet if you need to send a card or like to send cards. It's always nice to have a few on hand, isn't it? And again, plenty of diamonds left from that one. Now the price of this one I've only got down in dollars, which is $3.99. I'm assuming that's US, but I'm not exactly sure. So if you are interested in this, check out the link below and it will tell you the price in your currency. You can change the currency. But yeah, that is from Craftsy Art, and as I say again, loads and loads of diamonds spare. Now they will not go into being put away with my specials because they're not numbered. So let's put them there. So where did I get this one from? This is the problem when you forget where you get the stuff from. I think this is a fan sales one actually. Bear with me. It was. So this one is a $5.99. I picked this up from fan sales. Now this is classed as a sunglasses case. Okay. So it opens at the bottom here and opens up like this. However, rather than putting sunglasses in it, I've got my stickers in it that I label up all my diamond paintings and diamonds with, that tells me basically the name that I give it, the size, where it's from, and whether it's round, square or special. I like to get little storage boxes and find things that work for me in them, and in this case it was a sunglasses case to hold all my labels. That wasn't initially what I bought it for. I bought it because it was something a little bit different. However, to find another purpose for it is all the better. In this one we also have a load of diamonds left, so not as many in these small ones or in the special shape ones, but there was enough to of course finish the case. And then we have of course plenty left in the smaller rhinestones that work for all of them. So say that one was £5.99 and that one is from Fansales. What's next? In fact, I think the rest of these are from Fansales. I recently had a very big order that I didn't do an unboxing from, but I did say you'd see some of the goodies as we go along, and this is what you're seeing. So this one is a twin set of bookmarks, princess bookmarks, and it was £3.99 for the two. And my daughter's done these ones. So we've got two of the Disney princesses, and there is a couple of special shapes in these as well, but not many. However, there is diamonds left from them, and then there is just loads of the other ones left. She's just popped the packets into big ones so that she knew what numbers they were, because of course there was two. So some bookmarks, which are always fun. I say that because I have two more bookmarks. So this tiger bookmark, this was also from Fansales, and this one was £3.99, but this one is a little bit different. So this one is actually square. So can you see? They are all square diamonds. And then it does have these gold circle ones all the way around. But that one is a square diamond painting. And this one actually did come with numbers, the MC numbers. And they must have been on the packet because I've then added them onto the bags. But plenty of diamonds left in all the colours. So that will have to go away as a lot with my squares. But then of course we've got loads of the gold as well, which will go in with my special shapes. So I'll put all those together. And then I've got another bookmark. I'm pretty sure that one was also from Fansales. Apologies, I am just trying to find my link for it, and I'm not seeing it. Where is it? The order that I placed that was quite big is a very, very big order, and trying to find stuff in it can be a little bit tricky, and I'm not seeing it on there. So did I get it from somewhere else? No, I just got it on a different order. So this one is still a Fansales, and this one again was £3.99. So they've all been £3.99. However, that was £3.99 for two. That was £3.99, and then this one was. So this one has a lot of special shapes in it. You can see all of those if it's focusing properly. So lots and lots of different textures. And I say I have sealed all of these, so they are good to go and good to use. A lot of different special shapes, of which I've got loads left. And then there's even some more. So those two are also special shapes. And then we've got your sort of standard rhinestones, your small ones. And then last but not least, and this one definitely was from Fansales, I got this boarding pass. So this one was again £3.99, and I just decided to get the British flag. So if you want to put something on your case that will definitely be definitely stand out when you travel, then this may be something that interests you. Only a few basic colours on this one. There's loads of different designs, but that's the one that I liked. And yeah, it's just fun. I mean, I think one evening I did about 4 of these projects all at once. I was just like, yeah, I got 2 projects. And then I've got loads of diamonds left from each of those. So I've got loads of special diamonds to put away, but just to bring into shot everything that I've sort of done recently. And yeah, I hope this has shown you what other sort of stuff is out there, if it's something that does interest you. I'd say I have sealed it. I actually use, get hold of it off my top shelf, I use this crystal art sealer, and this is from a UK site. I will put a link. It does go in and out of stock, so you might need to keep an eye out if you're wanting the same stuff. But there are many different sealers out there that can work, but I was very interested to find one that was square. That was quite nice and quite different to do square diamonds onto an off the canvas thing, because quite often you don't have that option to do square. It's normally always crystals. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.